Welcome to the Azimut 50. Now, this is a real Azimut showpiece. The company built its reputation on the 50-foot class. It's well thought out. It's well built, it's stylish, it's durable, it's a classic. What are the general highlights of this model? Well, we have, again, one of the largest fly decks in its class, and also one of the largest bow lounge areas. Then you have a full height central roll bar, and that means that apart from having all the antennas on top, you can also have a hard top. And mirror treated windows for better heat and UV protection. And last but not least, in terms of the interior layout, we have a raised galley and a unique and totally unexpected pantry on a lower level. Now, the Azimut 50 is the only boat in its class that has that feature. Starting on the foredeck, the way Stefano Regini, the designer of this model, mind works is that he starts with a practical need or function and develops into a beautiful design feature. And we can see it here with the squared off bow. What does that mean? Well, you can see for yourself. We have a huge foredeck area for sun lounging. You can get 2 or 3 people on this sun pad here. And then behind that, in front of the wheelhouse, we have a beautiful divan or day sofa. Still on the open foredeck, these integrated cushions are made of open cell foam to avoid water retention and mold. And this beautifully soft tactile fabric, it's called Barty-line, is durable but also easy to clean. You can clean it with a brush. The fly deck, as we said, is one of the largest in its class. It's 18 square meters in total. And this Aft Lounge, as Azimut call it, is effectively an open-air second living room. And you can see here these beautifully designed, home designed, specifically for Azimut, sofas. You don't get sofas this comfortable on boats, but you do on the Azimut 50. Now, the beauty of this aft open-air lounge area is that Azimut clients really appreciate the privacy it offers when you're moored stern too, because you're above the people walking on the dock. And combined with full bar and barbecue unit, this has all the amenities that you want and see. Now, on the forward part of the Sundeck, we have this spacious dinette with seating around it, and forward of that, a full sunbathing area. And right next door, the exterior pilot station. Now, the advantage of this is that the captain owner, while he's driving the boat, can still talk with his friends and family. It's the perfect solution. Entering the main salon, we have these 2 counter-facing sofas, and just look at the beautiful quality of the stitching here. And then, as we said before, 2 steps up to the raised galley. And all the appliances are Miele, the German brand, and what's distinctive about Miele is that it tests its appliances for the equivalent of 20 years and has the lowest possible energy consumption rate. Now, as we said at the beginning, on this particular model, the galley is on a slightly raised level. So that means we have masses of storage space and these 2 pull-out deep fridge drawers. But the really unique feature is down below where we have the pantry. And here we are in the pantry area. Now, apart from stacks of storage area, underneath here we have a washer dryer. Clients can choose this area to have an extra fridge. But nothing's left to chance, because under here, apart from the dry storage space, this is specifically designed to house the folding chairs on the aft cockpit. Here we are in the full beam owner's suite, and as on all Azimut models, big windows, sophisticated materials, impeccable finishing, designer features such as these reading lamps, ample storage space, hanging space, also for clothes. Continuing with the lower deck layout, forward we have a VIP suite with a queen-size bed, and here is a guest cabin with bunk beds, and the 2 cabins share an ensuite bathroom. On the Helm station, as you can see, for its size, it's spacious, it's comfortable. Leather-clad steering wheel and beautifully comfortable wrap-round sporty leather helm seats. And in the salon we have a raisable table that also folds out and moves closer to the settees so people can dine in comfort.
We started this video by describing the Azimut 50 as durable, reliable, well built. Now you don't just have to take my word for that, and now I'm going to tell you why that's so.
The structural tray of the engine room and crew cabin are glued with the structural bonding. Most of the underwater fittings are made from marine-grade bronze. The engine discharge is positioned in the aft end of the engine room to reduce noise and vibration. You have marine-grade stainless steel deck hardware, and all the weldings are refinished. You have an advanced exhaust system design, again for noise reduction and to reduce turbulence. And then in the guest areas, for example, the bed mattresses are made from a material called lympha, which is a very high level of air permeability. It's a natural, raw material which is extremely comfortable. There's also extensive use of Okuma marine plywood for the structural parts of the furniture, which has high resistance. And for the remaining parts, and so not to add useless extra weight, lightweight wood is used, but everything is treated with an anti-scratch treatment.